AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of simulating and replicating human thought processes. AI systems use algorithms and mathematical models to process large amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make informed decisions or predictions. These systems can learn from their experiences and adapt to new information, improving their performance over time. AI can be classified into two main types. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks within a limited domain. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation algorithms used in streaming platforms, and image recognition software. General AI, also known as strong AI. General AI refers to systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains, similar to human intelligence. General AI can handle unfamiliar tasks, reason, and solve problems. However, true general AI that matches or exceeds human intelligence remains a theoretical concept and has not been fully achieved. AI techniques include machine learning, where algorithms learn from data to make predictions or perform tasks without explicit programming. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. Other techniques used in AI include natural language processing, computer vision, robotics, and expert systems. AI has a wide range of applications across industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of society, but it also raises ethical concerns and challenges related to privacy, bias, and the impact on the workforce. Overall, AI aims to create intelligent machines that can perceive the environment, understand and interpret information, learn from experience, reason and make decisions, and communicate with humans in a natural and intuitive manner.